Welcome to qnawire.
For problem number 2, we're given that the diameter of ball bearings follow a uniform distribution between 3.5 and 5.5 millimeters. We need to find the probability that a randomly selected ball bearing has a diameter greater than 4.4. For a uniform distribution, the probability of an event is given between A and B, where those are the lower and upper bounds, in this case the diameters, and the value of the probability of x is the difference of the upper and lower bound over the range of the distribution. So to find the probability that the diameter is greater than 4.4 would be 5.5 minus 4.4 over the range, which is 5.5 minus 3.3. 3.5. And so that's 1.1 over 2. And 1.1 over 2 is 0.55. And it's as the probability, so I would give it as 0.55 instead of 55%. Now for problem 3, we're given that the monthly incomes of trainees at a local mill are normally distributed with a mean of 1,050 and a standard deviation of 170. And we need to find the percentage of trainees earning less than 1,200 per month, so we need a z-score for 1,200. We use the formula x minus mu over sigma for that. So that would be 1,200 minus 1050 over 170, which is 150 over 170. And that's a z, I'll go to 2 decimal places, 0.88. And then we can use a z table. We want to find the probability first, and then we'll turn that to a percentage that they earn less than 1,200, which would be the same as the probability that z is less than 0.88. So if we look up 0.8 in the z table, and it reads to the left, we get 0.8106, which would be about 81.06%, or roughly 81% of the trainees earn less than 1,200 per month.